NewsX super exclusive India-China LAC development and more information coming in regarding that situation. Top army sources have told us that corps commanders had a meeting right before that meeting. Big level meeting took place on the 6th of June. And General A.K. Sivach joins us on the broadcast to tell us more about this. General Sivach, obviously this is an ongoing process, but there has been some headway made. We have super exclusive information available with NewsX that there was a meeting which lasted for 3 hours prior to that much anticipated meeting on the 6th of June, where key areas of conflict and problems were identified by both the sides.
Obviously, Vineet, there is no doubt about it. It is already identified. It is known both sides. But the point which is coming is that what is the way out?
Yeah.
As on today, you see, we are claiming that as far as Pangangso is concerned, up till finger 8 is ours, and up till finger 4 we were carrying out our patrolling. Now the Chinese have come in between finger 3 and 4. They are not letting us to go up till finger 4. So the point is, till they do not agree on that, there is no breakthrough. At the same time, what has happened in Galwan Valley is the same thing. There they have come almost about 2 to 3 kilometers inside the line of actual control. That's the one which was their claim line. And they are basically dominating this road which is going from Darbuk Chowk to DBO. And they are also sort of raising observation on a bridge which has been laid on Galwan River, which is connecting this road, Darbuk Chowk, DBO, to the as a feeder road to all the ports which are going toward the line of actual control. So the point which is coming is that we are very clear in our mind if this is in our area, all this infrastructure development has to take place, and we never objected you when you were doing your side of LAC. But the Chinese are doing it. Chinese have come in a big way. So I agree that, you will keep on talking with each other, but the solution will only come once the status quo ante is adopted of April 2020. Till that time, the Chinese don't go back to their pre-April 2020, not too much is going to come. But talks between the local formation commanders and all will be always good, because it is better to have a peace and tranquility on the LAC rather than coming on aggressive mood.
Right, and General Sivach, it was just 7 months ago that that meeting happened between both the leaders in Mamallapuram, and obviously there were a lot of confidence-building exercises which took place. There was a desire expressed for peace and tranquility. What do you think has changed, in these 7 months? Do you think that it's because of the COVID-19 outbreak that China has perhaps tweaked its treatment towards India, and we don't know what's going on within China right now, because there are also talks of an implosion within the Chinese government?
Well, absolutely, Vinay. There are not one reason. There are a number of reasons as to why they have done what they have done. One is what you have said is a dissent which is going within China, even Communist Party against Xi Jinping, of a very poor handling of COVID-19. Second issue is that they are also worried that India may be taken in G7 plus what is now anticipated. Then what is happening in Hong Kong and Taiwan, they want to divert the attention. They want to divert the attention of in the South China, what is happening in South China Sea. And the main thing, what we have done, abrogation of Article 370, 35A, and once we have claiming that excision is also part of us. Possibly they are also thinking that we may not do anything, and they are just trying to presuppose that. So overall,
all right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.